Engine, start. Jaguar XF 2015 model engine oil required maintenance resetting guide. To reset the service interval indicator, the following steps must be carried out within 3 seconds of each other. 1. With the vehicle in power mode 0, ignition off, press and hold the rear fog lamp switch and turn the vehicle to power mode 6. Press the start button with foot off of brake. 2. Immediately release the rear fog lamp switch. 3. Press and hold the trip computer cycle switch, then press and hold the rear fog lamp switch again. 4. Continue to hold the trip button and fog lamp button for 10 seconds. 5. When the process is successful, the message center will display resetting service mode and then display service mode reset. 6. Release both buttons, turn the vehicle to off position and back on to confirm reset successful.